How to prove the basic trigonometric identities. In this lesson, we're going to look at proving the 4 trigonometric identities that you can see on this page. To start with, we're going to begin with a circle of radius r. So for any point P with the coordinates x, y on the circle, we have that sine theta equals y over r, cos theta equals x over r, and tan theta equals y over x. This applies for all quadrants of the circle. So this is just the basic trigonometric facts that you should know already. We can use our 3 trigonometric definitions to help us with the first identity. If we take sine theta divided by cos theta, using our definitions, this is the same as y over r divided by x over r. We've got divide by r both top and bottom of the fraction, so if we cancel them out, we're left with y over x, which we can see from the top is equal to tan theta. So there we have our first identity, tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. We can use the same 3 definitions to help us with our next identity. Right, by Pythagoras' theorem, for any point on the circle, we have that x squared plus y squared equals r squared. If we divide this through by r squared, we get this equation here. But x squared over r squared is the same as x over r all squared, the same for y squared over r squared, and our r squared over r squared cancels to 1. But now looking at our equation, we can see we've got x over r, which is cos, and we've got y over r, which is sine. So we've ended up with cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. Now we can quite quickly change our cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1 identity into the others that we need. If we divide our whole equation through by cos squared theta, we can see that we've got cos squared over cos squared, which is 1, sine squared over cos squared, which we can see from our tan equation is equal to tan squared, and we'll have 1 over cos squared, which is equal to sec squared. And there we've got our third identity. We can use the same starting point for our next identity, but this time we're going to divide the whole thing through by sine squared. So we've got cos squared over sine squared. This is sine squared over cos squared upside down, hence this must be 1 over tan squared, or cot squared. Sine squared over sine squared is 1. 1 over sine squared gives us cosec squared. And so there is our final identity.